Hey guys, so there's a big box here. It's an unboxing, clearly. Hello. But today I'm going to be unboxing a guitar, but we're gonna have to do it in 15 minutes. So let's get to it. I think my tripod is literally in front of my scissors, so we're gonna see if we can break into this box. Last time I did an unboxing was, in fact, 4 years ago. Almost 4 years ago to the day. Not quite, but I think we're gonna have another box in a box. Oh my gosh, okay. Last time I did an unboxing, I was like giddy. So that was my first guitar. It was a Jasmine S35. This one is a Luna. And partially why I got it was because it's an acoustic electric, so you can plug it in, has place for an amp, built-in tuner, and I'm pretty sure it's solid, like real wood. Don't quote me on that. I got it at the guitar shop, so don't quote me on that, but Luna guitars. Alright, we're gonna turn this around. Hopefully I'm not like destroying it. We're gonna open it up together. We're gonna go ahead and when I was at the guitar shop, there's a whole like thing that I got this one and like, it didn't have the battery cover. Went back, they don't have the battery cover and they don't like sell it, so like I couldn't just get one. So then I ended up having to exchange the entire guitar, send it back to them, or give it back to them, exchange it. They ordered a brand new one. So this is the brand new one. But I was in between this one and then also it was a Yamaha. It was very similar. I don't remember the exact style, but it was an acoustic electric. It was pretty much about the same size. It was lighter wood, shiny finish. And then I saw this one and I was like, hey, what can you tell me about this one? He was like, well, it's acoustic electric. I think Luna's cheaper. And so sometimes they have like the different type of wood. Like, no, it's not with the wood. Don't quote me on that. There's something about that. But once you see the design of this one, you'll understand. So I saw this one and it was absolutely gorgeous. I was like, I need this in my life. So I want you to just look at the design of this one. Like, it's beautiful, beautiful. And it's the concert cut, I believe. So there's this. And we have our battery cover and place to plug in. And we have all of our controls over here. And this thing is gorgeous. And if you look, it has this beautiful detailing on the body. Oh my gosh. And then on the fretboard, because the brand is called Luna, it has like little half moons on it, which is, oh, it's just so adorable. And then up on the top, it says Luna and then has a little moon. It's gorgeous. This thing is gonna be horribly out of tune. It was just shipped. We're gonna go ahead and tune it. I was gonna go get a battery for it, but I opened it up to see this already in it. So I guess if it came with a battery, I'm not complaining. It doesn't say that there's a battery in it. Oh, it flashed. We're gonna go back to my Fender tune. It's my favorite. We're gonna go ahead and, can you like turn it off? Whoa. She's pretty. Obviously, there was a battery in it. It does work. The tuner, I don't know. You press the tuner button and it's on. So if I look, it has E, but it says flat. These sound down here don't sound right. Anyways, overall, I'll let you know how I end up liking this guitar. It's the Luna concert cut electric, acoustic electric. Like, it's just simply gorgeous. And it plays very well. I mean, from what I've had so far, I had it for a couple of days until I realized, oh, there's no battery. But it's gorgeous. Can't wait to play it. Hopefully it keeps its tune. I'm hoping it's a little bit better quality. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like if you did enjoy this video. Comment down below your favorite part of the video, or if you have a guitar, if you've ever got a guitar, if you want a guitar, anything about guitars. I do love guitar content. I taught myself and I like to do more stuff of it, but obviously I'm a dancer first. And subscribe for more videos. I do a lot of dance stuff, a lot of vlogs, a lot of like lifestyle stuff, but hopefully maybe more guitar content since I do have it now with me in California. So yeah,